another video. My gosh, it's been a long time since I said that, but I'm back. And I'm back with an ambitious goal. We're gonna do 12 days of fitness. 12 days of tools, tips, resources that you can use to help you lose weight and build a sustainable, healthy lifestyle in 2022. Kicking off this first day of fitness, we're gonna meal prep together. We're going to make one of my favorite breakfast recipes, my Southwestern Frittata bake. Now this recipe is loaded with protein, fiber, and deliciousness. It's easy to make and it reheats really well. You could pop it in the microwave, your air fryer, or the oven for a quick breakfast on the go. And I like to top mine with some avocado and salsa, and I'll serve it with an English muffin or a slice of toast. So for this recipe, you're going to need a carton of egg whites, your protein of choice. That could be shredded chicken, some lean ground meat, or black beans if you want to cut out the meat for this recipe. I'm using my favorite, my jalapeno chicken sausage from Trader Joe's. It's super seasoned and it has a nice kick to it. It really brings out the flavor in this recipe. So we're gonna top this frittata at the end with some cheese, but I'm lactose intolerant, so you'll see in this video that I am using a plant-based cheese for this recipe. We're gonna dice up some red pepper, some green pepper, poblano peppers, some green and yellow onion, and some tomato as well. Just make sure you remove the pulp from the center. We're gonna saute our sausage in a skillet with some cooking oil. I'm gonna use some avocado oil spray and a little bit of ghee here. And we're gonna saute that sausage until it's brown and it leaves some little brown bits at the bottom of the pan. We're going to remove our sausage from the pan, leaving behind those little brown bits, and then we're gonna add in our veggies. We're gonna saute those until they start to brown, and you wanna make sure that you saute the veggies long enough so that most of the moisture is released from your frittata so that you don't end up with soggy eggs. Yuck. For the egg whites, I'm gonna be adding just a little bit of pepper, onion salt, and garlic powder. The jalapeno sausages, again, are very heavily seasoned, so you really don't need to add much to this recipe. The sausage bits are left behind in the pan, which seasons your veggies, and the sausage will basically be marinating in the eggs while it bakes, so don't overdo it with the seasoning, trust me. You'll want to line your baking sheet with 2 pieces of parchment paper, one facing each direction of the dish. This is going to help you easily remove your frittata from your baking dish once it's cooled. Trust me, you don't want to skip this step. You will regret it. So we should have our sausage and our veggies in our baking dish already, so all we have to do is pour on our egg whites and top with our cheese. We'll bake our frittata for about 45 minutes to an hour on 400 degrees, and we're gonna allow it to cool before cutting. And there we have it, my Southwestern frittata bake. And I'll just transfer these squares to a meal prep container, and we have breakfast for the next couple days. So there's that. Thanks, beauties, for watching this meal prep video, and I will see you guys tomorrow for FITMAS Day 2. Bye.